After 5 years, it was time to replace the AGM battery in my 2020 GR Supra. To replace the battery, you'll need a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, and a socket extension. You'll also need the BimmerCode app and the BimmerLink app. You'll need these two apps to tell the ECU what kind of battery you're installing and to register the new battery. Registering the new battery clears the old battery charge cycle information from the ECU. Remove the carpeted cover in the trunk area to reveal the battery. Take a look at the battery and note the battery type: amp hours, cranking amps, and cold cranking amps. The Supra comes with a BMW AGM battery that has 105 amp hours, 950 cranking amps, and 950 cold cranking amps. When buying a new battery, be sure to match the OEM specs as close as possible. I purchased a Duralast Platinum AGM battery with 100 amp hours, 1000 cranking amps, 950 cold cranking amps, and a 190-minute reserve capacity. Step 1. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding down the upper bracket, then remove the bracket. Remove the negative terminal cable with a 10mm socket. Step 2. Remove the black cover that covers the positive terminal by unclipping it here and pulling up. Remove the battery breather tube by pulling it out of the battery. Lift the red cover over the positive terminal and using a 10mm socket, remove the positive terminal cable. Step 3. Using a 13mm socket, remove the battery hold-down bracket and then lift the battery out. Remember, it weighs about 65 pounds, so be careful lifting it out. Step 1. Place the new battery into the trunk. Be sure to slide it under the clip on the right side, then tighten down the hold-down bracket bolt on the left side. Step 2. Reinstall the upper bracket and reconnect the breather tube. Step 3. Connect the positive cable first, then connect the negative cable. Tighten both down and be sure not to over-tighten them. Once you install the new battery, you'll need to register it with the DME. This tells the battery management system that a new battery has been installed and programs the battery management system to charge it correctly. To do this, you'll use the BimmerCode app, the BimmerLink app, and a wireless OBD2 adapter, like the MHD universal adapter. To get started, turn off Bluetooth on your phone. Next, put the car in diagnostic mode by pressing the Start-Stop button 3 times. Plug in the MHD universal adapter or whichever adapter you have. Open Wi-Fi on your phone and connect to the MHD adapter. Open BimmerCode and then tap Connect. Select the adapter you're using and tap Connect. Select Toyota Supra as your car and then tap Continue. Choose Engine Control Unit. Tap Battery Capacity. Choose the amp hours of the new battery and then tap Save. If they don't have the exact number, choose the next one up. This makes sure the battery management system charges the battery correctly. Next, set the battery type you're using by tapping Battery Type. Then choose the type of battery you're using and then tap Save. To apply these new settings to the DME, tap the Code button. Once it's complete, you can disconnect and exit out of the app. After coding the DME with the battery size and type, it's now time to register the new battery with the DME. Registering the new battery ensures the battery management system charges it like a new battery instead of like the old battery you just removed. Open BimmerLink and then tap Connect. Select the adapter you're using and tap Connect. Choose 12-volt battery. Tap Register New Battery. Once it's complete, you can disconnect and exit out of the app. When it's time for a new battery, some have switched to a lithium battery. I researched this extensively, and these are the reasons why I chose an AGM battery again. Weight savings. The weight savings you get from a lithium battery is about 45 pounds. A savings of 100 pounds would gain about 0.02 of a second in the quarter mile. Dropping only 45 pounds might gain 1/100th of a second. Unless you're cutting weight all over the car, the 45-pound savings is meaningless. Weight distribution. The GR Supra has a 50-50 weight distribution. If you remove 45 pounds from the rear by switching to a lithium battery, the weight distribution changes to 50.7% front and 49.3% rear. Without suspension tweaks when on track, that could cause the front end to understeer in turns. It can also result in a loss of traction in the rear on launch. Battery life. My original AGM battery was 5 years old when it was time to replace it. If any Supra owner had to replace their AGM battery in 2 to 3 years, it's because they were not locking the doors when the car is turned off. This means the car never enters sleep mode. No sleep mode means parasitic drain on the battery, which shortens its life. An AGM battery in the Supra should last 4 or 5 years. Purchase price. Lithium batteries can cost $900 or more and will last 8 to 10 years. An AGM battery will cost $250 and it will last 3 to 5 years. You can buy 3 AGM batteries for the price of 1 lithium. If your AGM lasts 3 to 5 years, you'll spend less over 10 years. Even though a lithium battery lasts 10 years, in the long run, a lithium battery doesn't save you any money. Cold temperatures. An AGM battery will perform better than a lithium battery in cold temperatures. Lithium can lose 20% to 30% of its capacity in temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Why risk your car not starting just because it's cold outside? Thermal runaway. Most of the lithium batteries used in the Supra are lithium iron phosphate batteries, or LFP batteries. While the chemistry in an LFP battery is generally stable, thermal runaway is always a possibility. If an AGM battery catches on fire, you can put it out with water. If a LFP battery catches on fire, water will not work. Unless you have specialized equipment, your car can burn to the ground.